Hello, what's up? Welcome on this channel. My name is Ebo. You write it with an I, but pronounced as an E. But foremost, I am not an Apple product. As you probably noticed, this is not my voice, but a computer-generated one. I hate hearing my own voice. This is a pond in my neighborhood. Peaceful and tranquil, you could think. But in a smaller dimension as ours, there is a war going on. A survival of the fittest. A war between vampires, shapeshifters and brain-eating zombies. Well, maybe not zombies. Maybe. You guessed it right, this is a channel about microscopic life. Are you like this content? Please consider subscribing. I use a Swift SW380T microscope. I changed the optics for Planachromats and the eyepieces are wide field high viewpoint variants. And in the footage I experiment with a combination of oblique and Reinberg illumination. I hope to see you again. Bye for now.